Hello friends, in this lecture we will study Euclidean algorithm. To study Euclidean algorithm, first we will take two results and then we will state Euclidean algorithm, because to prove it we require those results. So first one is that so theorem, for any non-zero integers a comma b comma x, GCD of AB is equal to GCD of a comma b plus ax, b plus ax. Okay. For any integer, non-zero integers AB and x belongs to Z. We have this. Proof. Suppose GCD of AB is equal to D, and GCD of A comma B plus X is equal to G greater equal 1. Claim D is equal to G. Now since GCD of AB is equal to D, implies D divides A, D divides B. Implies D must divides B plus X also. B plus X. Thus D divides A, D divides B plus X, implies D divides GCD of A and B plus X, which is nothing but G. That is D divides G, 1. Now since GCD of A comma B plus X is equal to G, implies G divides A, G divides B plus X, implies G must divides their combination B plus X minus plus minus, okay, plus minus XA, and then this get cancelled, which is equal to B. Thus G divides A, G divides B, implies G must divide GCD of AB, which is nothing but D. From 1 and 2, G D is equal to G, since D G are greater equal 1. Therefore GCD of AB is equal to GCD of A comma B plus X, whatever choice of X may be. Okay. For any X belongs to Z. Next one, lemma. For non-zero integers AB, if B is equal to AQ plus R, where 0 is less than R is less than mod A, then GCD of AB is equal to GCD of AR. AR. So from 1 R is equal to B minus AQ. Where QR belongs to Z. So by previous theorem, GCD of AB is equal to GCD of A B plus X for any X belongs to Z. Therefore, GCD of AB must be equal to GCD of A minus A comma B minus AQ, where X is equal to minus Q. Thus, lemma is proved. Lemma is proved. Or you can prove it independently on same line. Assuming GCD AB is equal to D, GCD of AR, okay. Or that is GCD of AB is equal to GCD of AR, okay. So assuming GCD of ABD, GCD of AR is equal to G, and on same line doing calculations we will get this one. We will getting this one, okay. Now we will state Euclid's algorithm. Let A and B be non-zero integers. Then applying division algorithm, there exists QR belongs to Z such that B is equal to AQ plus R, where 0 is less equal R less than mod A. Is it right? Applying division algorithm to A and R. Applying, if R not equal to 0, then 1. Applying division algorithm to AR, there exists, say Q1 R1 belongs to Z such that A is equal to R times R1, R times Q1 plus R1, where 0 less equal R1 less than R. Second, if R1 not equal to 0, R1 not equal to 0, then applying division algorithm to R and R1, there exists Q2 R2 belongs to Z such that your R equal to previous remainder is equal to R1 Q2 plus R2, 0 less equal R2 less than R1. 3. Continuing Thus, we have your again if this R2 is not equal to 0, then R1 is equal to R2Q3 plus R3. Okay, 0 less equal R3 less than R2, right? Then R2 is equal to R3Q4 plus R4, 0 less equal R4 less than R3, and so on. Will get lastly say somewhere we must get Rn is equal to Rn plus 1 into Qn plus 2 say. Is it clear? And what is your previous step? R2, R3, okay. Rn minus 1 is equal to, what will be this? Rn Qn plus 1 plus R2, R3, R4. Rn minus 1, next is Rn plus 1. Yes. Is it clear? And then applying this to Rn and Rn plus 1. Or Rn minus 1 is equal to this, I will take this plus 0, right? So, somewhere this remainder must be 0, okay, as A and B are finite integers, okay, since A, B are finite integers, therefore, after some steps, remainder becomes 0. Remainder is 0. Somewhere remainder must become 0. In this case, GCD of AB is equal to Rn. GCD of AB is equal to Rn. So this is nothing but Euclid's algorithm. Now see here, GCD of AB is equal to GCD of A with R. Okay. So if I decide to apply proof, by applying lemma, GCD of AB is equal to GCD of next step, A with R, A with R, then GCD of A with R is nothing but R with R1 is equal to R1 with R2 and so on is equal to GCD of Rn minus 1 with Rn we are getting those steps. And finally, GCD of Rn minus 1 and Rn is Rn, because Rn divides Rn, Rn divides Rn minus 1. Okay. So, in just one line, we are getting this one. We are getting this. Is it clear? So, GCD of Rn minus 1 and Rn means suppose B equal to AQ plus R and your A is equal to what is your next step? R times Q2, R times Q2. So, this implies GCD of B is equal to GCD of AR is equal to this one. Now, if I assume GCD of AR is D here, GCD of AR, and this is R, this is R. Since R divides A, R divides A, R divides A and R, implies R divides A and R, that is AQ plus R is equal to B. Okay, means R divides A and B both, so R divides the GCD. If GCD of AB is dividing, GCD of AB is equal to D, then D divides A, D divides B, then D divides B minus AQ is equal to R also. Is it right? Means D is dividing R as well as A, therefore D also divides the GCD. So R is equal to that D, R equal to that D. So just by those steps we are getting proof of this. Okay. Now, what is use of this Euclid's algorithm? You can observe GCD of AB is nothing but remainder, this remainder, in which this is Rn here. Rn is here. If I give numbering for those 1, 2, 3, this is 4 and so on, 5 and so on, if I give these numbers. So from last equation, second last equation, I can write Rn in terms of, this is your Rn minus 2, Rn minus 1, Rn minus 1, okay. Rn minus 2 is equal to Rn minus 1 Qn plus Rn. I will get this, right. So 2 is 4, 5, and then this equation will be your Rn minus 2 nth equation. This is your nth equation. From nth equation you can write Rn in terms of Rn minus 2 and Rn minus 1. Rn minus 1. Okay. Then I will substitute value of previous remainder in that. That is Rn minus 1. And I will get, I will write I will substitute previous values here, and lastly I will get A and B, lastly I will get A and B. In this way that Rn will be expressed as combination of A and B. Combination of A and B. So thus Euclid's algorithm is useful to find greatest common divisor of two non-zero integers A and B, and we can express that GCD as linear combination of them with help of this Euclid's algorithm. We will take examples on this Euclid's algorithm in next lecture. Thanks for listening lecture carefully. Bye bye.